Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to switch to private profile on Threads app. Why would you want to know how to switch to private profile on Threads app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Threads and not sure how to switch to private profile on Threads app. So today I am going to show you how to switch to private profile on Threads app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Switching to a private profile on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will switch to private profile on Thread app. First of all, open Thread app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and now in this screen click on menu icon in the upper right corner, and then click on privacy. And now in this screen click on toggle button to turn on private profile and click on OK. And now your account is private. The lock icon in the upper left corner also shows that your account is private. So there you go. If you were wondering how to switch to private profile on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.